Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Dell monitor to Xbox. Begin by gathering all necessary equipment. You will need your Dell monitor, Xbox Series X, and an HDMI. Ensure that your Dell monitor is powered on and set to the correct input source. Locate the HDMI output port on your Xbox Series X. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI output port on your Xbox. Next, locate the HDMI input port on your Dell monitor. Plug the other end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI input port on your monitor. After making the connections, power on your Xbox Series X. Your monitor should automatically detect the console. If it does not, manually select the HDMI input on your monitor. Check the display settings on your Xbox by navigating to the Settings menu. Ensure that the resolution is set to your monitor's optimal resolution. Test the audio output to confirm sound is coming through your monitor. If you experience any issues, try using a different HDMI cable. Also, make sure your monitor is updated with the latest firmware if applicable. Your Dell monitor should now be successfully connected to your Xbox Series X. You can now enjoy gaming with enhanced visuals on your monitor. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.